What if I told you cruise companies don't really care how much you pay for your ticket? Their real profit comes from something far more hidden and far more brilliant. The body. 10 ways cruise lines actually make money. Countdown format. Number 10. The beverage trap. Let's start with drinks. That unlimited drink package you bought? Most people never drink enough to justify the cost. Cruise lines know this. On average, passengers consume less than half of what they pay for, and the markup on alcohol can reach 400%. Even that free soda refill isn't really free. It's built into the package. 9. The casino mirage. Once you're in international waters, casinos open up, and the odds are stacked like never before. Unlike land-based casinos, cruise ship casinos have zero oversight or regulation. That means higher house advantages, tighter slots, and more profit per passenger. Even small bets multiplied across thousands of guests bring in millions annually. Number 8. Shore excursion commissions. You might think you're booking directly with a local tour company when you explore an island stop, but most of those, quote, partner excursions are owned or heavily commissioned by the cruise line. Local vendors often lose up to 60% of their earnings to cruise commissions. You're paying extra for the illusion of supporting locals. Number 7. Art auctions. C. You've probably seen them, elegant art auctions hosted in the main lounge with free champagne. But those events aren't about art appreciation. They're about emotional spending. The art is often mass-produced or inflated in value, and the cruise line gets a cut of every sale. In some cases, they make more from art commissions than from ticket upgrades. Number 6. Spa and wellness upsells. Who doesn't love a relaxing massage while at sea? But here's the catch. Spa services on board can cost or triple what you'd pay on land. After your session, staff are trained to sell you expensive marine-grade skincare products. It's all part of a psychological upsell funnel designed to keep you spending. Number 5. Internet packages, the digital tax. In 2025, you'd think Wi-Fi at sea would be cheap, but cruise lines deliberately throttle free access and sell premium internet at inflated prices, sometimes $25 per day or more. Multiply that by thousands of passengers, and you've got one of the highest margin products on board. The irony, satellite bandwidth costs them just a few per megabyte. Number 4. The photo trap. Every night, photographers take your picture, at dinner, on deck, during embarkation. Most of those photos end up in glossy albums you'll never buy, but the few that do sell are priced high, sometimes $20 to $30 per print. Digital copies, also extra. It's a sentimental trap, and it works every voyage. Number 3. Specialty dining and, quote, upgraded meals. Even though food is included, cruise lines tempt you with premium restaurants, steakhouse, sushi, chef's table that cost extra. Why? Because it is one of the biggest expense areas, and upgrades create a profit buffer. They keep main dining rooms cheap, while luxury dining becomes a profit engine. Number 2. Shopping and duty-free deals. Do sound like a bargain, but the cruise line earns a commission on every purchase. Even exclusive jewelry or watch sales are contracted vendors who pay high placement fees to be on board. The entire promenade deck is designed like a floating mall, one that never runs out of customers. Number 1. The real secret. Data and loyalty programs. The biggest profit doesn't even happen on board. It happens later. Every time you use your card, buy Wi-Fi, or book an excursion, your data is tracked. Cruise companies build detailed spending profiles and sell that data to marketers, also targeting you with loyalty offers. It's not just about your next cruise, it's about owning your vacation habits. So the next time you see an all-inclusive deal that looks too good to be true, remember, it probably is. Cruise lines are masters of psychology and microtransactions, turning your relaxation into revenue. But that doesn't mean you can't enjoy it. Knowing where the money flows means you're in control. Buy what's worth it, skip what's not, and make your next cruise a smarter one. If you learned something new, hit the like button. It really helps the channel reach more curious travelers like you. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, we're uncovering the darkest secrets of what happens below deck, where passengers never go.